2008 Kia Sportage. Glove box handle broke. Right about there. And there's the piece. I can't get it on there. There's a bar under there which doesn't come out, and I cannot get this thing on there. I've fiddled with it, played with it, messed with it. I can get the glove box open. There's two little latches in there somewhere. Where is it? Oh, now I can't find it. No, can't find it. So if anybody knows how to get this up into there, drop me a note, because I cannot figure that out. You'd think that would just slot in there and work. No, it doesn't. And when you open the glove box, you can't take out the cover on the inside to get to that piece. It doesn't come off. It's a one piece mould. Alright, that's one job. Second piece, this AC, the switches, how does that come out? What I don't want to do is go prime with a screwdriver and break it. So if anyone knows how to get that out of there, drop me a note on that as well. Now, these you can buy used, but there's two types for this same year, which is why I haven't bought one. I'm waiting to get that out first. So if you know how to do that, the AC switch control unit and the glove box handle, be a good person and tell me how to fix it, because there's no one on YouTube explaining how this goes on the glove box, and there's no one on YouTube explaining how this piece comes out. There's one for a Sorrento out there, but it's different, a lot different to this one. So any whiz kid mechanics, drop me a note. Thank you, thank you, thank you.